Oh my God. I swear, every time I buy something cheap, I end up doing double the work. You see those two little black nubs sticking out of my hood? The sprinklers that you spray the water on your window with? Well, I bought those for $10 with a whole bunch of other doodads. And they're a piece of shit. Bought them off Amazon, $10. What a waste of money. Total waste of money. And here I am out here again with another set to change them out. Now hopefully this set that I bought, which was $30, and it didn't come with all these other pieces, that it works better. So this is kind of ridiculous. Let me show you how these work. Okay, watch this. Now, when I bought these Chinese so-called speaker systems, sprinkler systems, you'll notice the one on the right is a little smaller and the one on the left's a little bigger. They sent me 4, and I put one of each to see how it looks. So look what happens when I sprinkle. What the hell is that? You want to tell me? What is that? It's not even sprinkling, it's spraying water at the bottom of the window. Like, that is such crap. So here I am, out here again, and this ain't easy. I gotta open that hood, I gotta climb inside the engine bay, pop them out, put the new ones in, and hopefully they work. What a pain. So let me pop the hood and show you what I did there. So when I originally started this job, up here on the hood, there was an insulation big piece that goes up against that hood. I had to take that off to get at the sprinkler system. You can see where the cord goes across the back there. And you see that tube, and that's where it's connected. So I got to get up there, pull that off, and then get the other clips out before I can add the new ones. And hopefully the new ones actually work properly. That's what I'm really hoping for. And if that happens, then we can put that batting back on that. And that will be a job well done. I have been postponing these sprinklers for 3 months. And what originally happened was when I went to grab the top ones, the top of the hood with my pliers, they disintegrated. I didn't even apply any pressure. The UV sun had basically deteriorated those plastic things till finally there was nothing left. Everything else is fine. The hoses are fine, everything else, because they're under the hood. But the sprinkler system is on top, so the UV from the sun hits it and deteriorates them. I was like, man, oh man. Would have been nice they would have made them out of stainless steel or something. And believe it or not, they don't sell stainless steel. I checked. If they did, I would have bought a set. If you know what place it does, tell me. Because even if this new set works, probably in 3 to 4 years, I'm going to have to replace them again, which is quite annoying. You know, they've been making trucks, they've been making cars for years. You would think somebody get the bright idea and says, you know, we're really going to make a good one. We're going to charge it a little more, but we're going to make a good one. You know, they make everything last 5 or 6 years, and you got to start replacing parts. Really quite annoying. So I will climb up there and get these pieces done. Oh, by the way, when I went to grab the plastic sprinkler, it disintegrated, but part of the plastic was inside of that rubber hose. So now I had to get my drill, make sure the drill bit wasn't bigger than the hose. Actually perfect size to go in. And then I drilled inside the hose. And it pulled out the rest of the pieces, so now it was really well done. So I had to do that with the drill. So I needed a drill, needle nose pliers, and a flat screwdriver to do this job. So let me get busy here, because it ain't getting done by itself. So then I went and picked this up. And this is Windshield washer nozzles. I got them from Napa. And you know, what's really funny about this, as you come down, direct replacement. And it says, made in China. Manufactured for Napa. And I actually gave him a number on what I wanted. And, well, we hope these works, because these weren't the ones I originally ordered. The ones I ordered were a different number, different brand, and they obviously substituted this for theirs. I just hope it works. And these were $30 compared to the other set being $10. So there is a big difference. Now I can tell from looking at them, they are made better. So, and I hope they work, because if I stick them on here and they do the same thing, I mean, I'm going to be pissed. I've done this now, what, twice? This is getting pretty annoying. So let's see if these work. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, look at that. There we go. See, normally I like to show you something from Amazon so I can give you an affiliate link, but much better. This actually works. So I got these from Napa. They were $30 for two. The other set was $10. I could tell when I took them into the package, they were made with much better quality. And even though it still said made in China on the package, it is a much better brand. At least it's spraying like a sprinkler system now. You have no idea how much I use that. No idea. I mean, it's just crazy, especially when you get on the state highway with, and it's raining and transport trucks. I mean, it's just so much easier. Much better. That's not a hard job. Pair of needle nose pliers, flat screwdriver. The first set took me not even 25 minutes because they just shredded right off. I had to drill a hole where the tube was to get the rest of the plastic out. But that was it. Now this time around, this took about 10 minutes to change out. All I had to do was get my needle nose in there and squeeze it together to pop them out. And this set comes with a rubber. Now what I mean by that is there is a rubber seal that when you push this in, it goes against your hood, because if it didn't have a rubber seal, it would rattle. And I did keep the rubber seals from the old ones, but I noticed when I opened the package, this had the rubber seals. Oh yeah, much better. I'm impressed. So I sent the other one back to Amazon on a refund, but you figure 30 bucks, did the work myself. Now, if you would have took that to a mechanic, they're going to charge you probably an hourly rate. I don't know. Probably be more like $100 to get it done by then. But it really is not that hard to do. So if your sprinkler system isn't working right, then just make sure you order the right one for your vehicle, your model and that. And don't buy from Amazon. Go get it from Napa or one of these used car places and, you know, get one. Because they don't want it coming back, right? They lose money if it does. They want something decent. But all it's on Amazon when it comes to these truck parts, it's all garbage. Okay, all back together. See, it's like a fiberglass thing or something. It just goes on with some clips, see that? I guess that holds the heat in the winter and helps you get heat inside the cab quicker. I didn't notice the difference going down the road with it off or with it on. It didn't sound like it did anything with noise. So I think it was just to keep the heat of the engine in. Sprinkler system fixed. Oh, I'm glad that's done. Catch you guys on the next one.